Ebusiamfo aha Ghana TV GH mesro like, comment, subscribe, turn on notifications so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded will be notified.
Flag bearership. Professor Oquaye condemns 4 million Ghana city development fees. Says it promotes moneycracy. Election, not auction. NPP flag bearership race. And a flag bearership mean chumikanis asana wachon pepepe. Professor Oquaye condemns 4 million Ghana city development fee. Says it promotes moneycracy. Election, not auction. Abuja, me who on the front page of the Daily Graphic, this banner headline na ama me siafem, especially because of the personality involved. Sarah, Professor Aaron Mike Oquaye. Na papa yi oye onim defo, oye onunyanfo, na oye obenfo nso. Beda subetimi ayi. Yera Mike Oquaye oye onunyanfo, oye obenfo, oye nimdiefo, ena oye obi a bibia obetimi describing with all the adjectives. Oye party penny, oye a senior party person. Abuja, various committees are yakti NPP mu, say yakti committees 10 in NPP in recent times. Professor Oquaye nkwa obetimi ache mu beye se ebi a 3 and 4. Oye a pillar in the party. Na onim party constitution no. Onim party na bakwasem. Because there way back. Na onim party no so nhye. Professor Michael Oquaye enim say National Executive Committee ekotia na omo take decision na National Council kushia na National Council take decision na eye unconstitutional na assign so eye anti-party conduct. So any party person will come out to condemn the decision of the National Council. Professor Michael Oquaye onim. Professor Aaron Michael Oquaye onim say eye anti-party behavior. Say National Council and National Executive Committee take decision na party ni bia irrespective of your position in the party will come out and condemn the decision of the party. And if no other paper than Daily Graphic is saying say Professor Mike Oquaye is condemning the NPP National Council decision of charging 4 million development fee, then Professor Mike Oquaye were a great disservice to the New Patriotic Party. And now and I say any of the aspirants say omo ba bonten be can say NPP party no decision no a omo take here say yenti a certain committee to investigate the 2024 election outcome. Aye Professor Mike Oquaye and the verdict or the buy no on also condemning Professor Mike Oquaye for coming out with such verdict. How will Professor Mike Oquaye feel? Said the painstaking job party in the Mamano, party National Council at Trans I say Professor Mike Oquaye enko yes we. Now so Biba Bontika say I condemn Professor Mike Oquaye committee report a bogus. And I bibi sir, how will Professor Mike Oquaye feel say obesore anopa na adwuma wa ye no ediama party no na party panibi a condemning the sir na o Daily Graphic enim kese sir na the party panini phone dia to animu. Eji Professor Mike Oquaye enim say the report or the buy no na obi a party no bia na ye ne da na National Executive Committee no find this na buy no of also bia na in anije ho. In fact the committee members no kra no na Professor Mike Oquaye fo say sa committee report no outcome no omo nyina anije ho. The answer is a big no. But see Boache Jago kan sembi abra ye na di as minister no or say Papo Boniu my party first. It's because of the party interest any collective responsibility ni interest nti asɛm ne ba say ya na obi agyatum. So for me, for a senior party person, he's a Professor Eeiii Oquaye, to come out publicly to condemn national council decision in the Adabraka, I think say Professor Oquaye got it wrong. Because on all the or party penny to utimi kura Fred General Secretary or them, utimi Fred na National Executive Committee nyina Professor Oquaye betimi afrom nyina asɛmomra na menem enye meeting. Na kasim bi obia no or the atom anim. Ena ya te say aspirant ne ba akon 4 million no ontuaye nti ye man 48 hours say on fentu enye say be disqualify no. Yerim say 4 million nti ena onunyanfo adanimo wan kofa form uncontested. Ena se party no decide say nipa na wantua 4 million no on be mana go through no contest this election. What it means they say party no anye fair to onunyanfo adanimo. I don't know of other people and come be person be contested but man because of the 4 million. But I know say on record honorable adanimo ebe kan say anko be ko ba 4 million no onya enti wonko. It's a party no ka say ene 4 million no onya na party no anye fair to onunyanfo adanimo. Then the party will have to consider and then rope onunyanfo adanimo in. No man imagine election ni bi. So party no so decide say ene obe disqualify onipa no so a. Then Professor Oquaye in front of Daily Graphic condemning the whole party for charging the development fee. Meanwhile, enipa no ekọ nyina no ekọ before the committee no ye catch them say the BC ni. Did we go or we come? Obi brofo. Ne niema koso say ya e burden NPP net me afa no to ma pefra. Ama party no etimi akore power come 2028. John Mahama Nkwao single-handedly etua 15 million. I think 14 or 15 million during the NDC presidential primaries. John Mahama single-handedly each delegate 40 cedis. At the time, multiply with the NDC number of delegates corner na 14 million Ghana cedis. Pacho Kofi Totobi Kwache never condemned John Mahama. Kofi Potofi didn't condemn John Mahama. Udu Yaya didn't condemn John Mahama. Chachu Chikata never condemned John Mahama. Nti adentina eno kra na John Mahama individual decision as a flag bearer no. Ya ante say Benjamin Kumbuo ebe condemn John Mahama. But where there NPP National Council and they take a decision. And your party penny say or condemn it because democracy is a election. Monocracy na election no enye auction. Yo, eda masibe bre. And you know, anope jujema me de buy no, me de besi ya. Na me wo second part of the jujem, but asebe no matransi na me nyomo ebedi enkomo. Ma me hwe na me fa me bie phone lines na kakra bi. Na me ne onsoso eni enkomo. Se me bie ya che. Nti no anope me bie na me ne wadi enkomo about 7:33. About 7:40 and me twa so na da asebe no mabam. Na oba esrew simple instruction wa anye ne sa
na yetimi aboa ano very very necessary. Fiti Monday no eno obi fra me ka cha me say ya insurance na wa Ghana has a ya no enye adwuma ena me say how enye adwuma sesen because we nim say nyame eya adom ema aban sesaye ka hudo bi ane ho no aban si watua of which hospitals ni nyina mpo I confirm say ampa sika ne yetua enti den na yetimi kase health insurance na afedie obi kwa kase lab keke kwa wo kwa ya ma wutua lab wo se wutua meanwhile sa ne ma ne nyina no health insurance cover na ye wonro bi nso a health insurance cover eno eni kwan say ye ton amount emu ba ko enra course ameye ne mpanyifa me no mo kasa ye wo National Health Insurance Authority wo mo confirm ma me kra ne se wo mo so ma tibi BP nro sa BP nro ya o Chasi yasi ukon kronketu ahodo ni mu a emerwafo ye omu ni dama tusre omu ni nduomu die insurance na ekura omu a ometimi de akwaje wo mu BP nduro no eno so ye hwe nyame anim se ye toma wo mu a na se eye niamo hosam eye bone unsa Ghana no se supervision eni baabi a wani beba wo so na nkrofo odi bone e de hye nkrofo na the last time na me ka kira say adia ba ko a ye like wo Ghana ha eye nokredie ye ni nokre ma ye ho wonim say is July year mu ena aban ma yeti ase se e ka na eda health insurance na nya kaketoa 834 million Ghana cedis ena aban epe sika ena otua ni nyina e de ema hospitals ahodo ebi ya private hospitals ebi ya public hospitals a che se obia ka na health insurance e de wo no wo mutua ye ma memie we so nkyira wansa na wo ba bia nkomo no me defa sa wo be kaya road fund time a NPP ewa ba mu no omo campaign ni kire say wo mo de emre bi ba ya na eche se sika ya gigi na ekọ road fund mu no ye yi se sika ni bi am say almost 60% na sika no ekọ Jubilee House sika no kwa ya de foforo meanwhile road fund no na ewa wo se sika bekọ road fund mu no ewa se ya de ye maintenance ewa ya kwanya hodo so and that's the reason why as ube hu a akwan bebre wakana hanom a potholes no se se adani manhole because sika na was ye kwayi free road fund mu ne de kwaya maintenance no NPP aba eka pay eye road fund enti sika na ekọ road fund mu no efa ekọ presidency na efa aka fund nim sika de baka fund nim no so no eno yaje bosia aye di tua o mu wi o mama na so ho a eno mo de health insurance so ka ho eno mo pay health insurance enti sika na ye tua me fa ne so ko register health insurance asika obetua ye tua taxes ye wo NHIS levy ye tua obi otua tax wo kroma bia VAT ni nyina eka ho bi ye weke 4% ebi 3% ni akan ne de aka ho eti ni nyina se sika na ebekwa akogu NHIS fofutuom na akwamodi ade atuatua hospitals ne ka no eno so aban ede mrabai eno wo ka pay eti sika no eba na fakọ presidency na kakra na ebekam no ena na health insurance for the year adwuma enti na eka na assume health insurance na anya asem ketwa the same thing ena happen ma get fund so ya kapini kwasi awowa eje bosia eti schools adan na get fund esi nyina no afa na yentimi nsibiem sa sika no so kra no obisa wo say ye sika no ye den a obi antimi mu akonta papa bi ankyerɛw sa kapin ya ye de kapin health insurance fund na sika kwoma na yi bi di kwa ba bi foforo no wo bi so am se sika na ekoye dan a obi antimi nka nkyerɛw we wo kwa ka na obi bu afu o wo ka sisi a na obi bu afu se adai na wo kan asem na wo pen pipi fu asem meanwhile health insurance kra wo mo de ye campaign se kofo na de ba ye no wo mo akasa policy na mo de ba ye no kra mo sa be se no because health insurance de yenim se obi wa hoyehia mu a na ohia me se me tia health insurance nyame to me nti yenko hospital eni ofa chiwo na titi nunum bi na wo soso na enia nuwaje na ha ba bia no wapunu na chese wo na wo kọ no nyame ene body pa ho ban enkwane ahoden de nyame ne de ma obi ani wa osu efre nyame so ma ne yare nya de pa ansa no obi ba yare obedi nani ba kire hospital no na ese nipa no ade ahia no eti se sa nipa ne yare a wo wan yehia mu a yade foto bi ato wa ma sa nipa ne se betimi aboa no abanya no ono se wadwe nipa ho no ade mraba ye se sika no ebegum amfa fama me safa na yade ma no ode kwaye den so ode kwaye den obi anim besinne sa kape no mo kape health insurance sika na omu yi free ho na ekokọ presidency ni ade no obi anu obu ho akonta kire yen sasa sika na akasa ye de koye den obi anim wo kwa bisa na obi buafu na kanya ka ne ya ka health insurance apomodensi achi ba sika so wonya abanya wotiri mu odin a wotimi kasa me de mraba e de mensa to sika beba no so no me de mensa to bi so mo fa mra mfa nya me ho ye ba kuma to me yam a na kuma to ne yam fie wotwe aban sisa ya na aban Jomahama ka say wayi campaign no emra no wayi afiri wo nti say health insurance say na 2 cedi and ekoma 2 cedi ni nyina abekọ ama health insurance etimi dia ye adwuma eno na boa ye ma health insurance fotimi etua e ka na da ho 834 million Ghana cedis enti mentia sie die ntia hospitals ahodo ni bitimi hwe nyame anim say obi the health insurance card ba Cecilia no muguso charge nipa no including in health insurance fa hoka na me anra investigations kakra me ye de ma me ra ho kasia pa eye BP nro ye nyina ye nim so obi wa ho no odru nipa ni fie so an onya BP ena kra na ase adwendwen ne pressure wo kromuti emrantia ne maba wa so kra binum wo BP na ka BP mi nyini no na me nim se ye mpanyifo yare but and the chronomo yesiama and comfort me dwia wan hweye pressure obi akra so a empenafo bi a otwe e ho pressure no wanya BP obi ho no ma enema bi akoso wa abrabom no adwen ho a